Okay.
Ma.
Yeah, ma. I didn't even have to ask you to do it. You say it again. Bless you. Bless you. Ma. Ma. No, now that you have my attention, of course, you don't need to say it. Hey, Beba. Yeah, I know how you work. Oh, you're tired today? Oh, we just took a nap. Yeah. Who's that over there? Who's that over there? Oh, it's a Henry. It's a Henry walking across the floor. Where's Luna? Oh, there she is. What are they doing? What are those birdies doing? Should we move this so you can see them? Where are the birds? Where are the birds? Where are they? Oh, there they are. They're on the chair. They're hiding out on the chair. Yeah, you tell them. They're a safe distance from you. How boring, eh? Little do they know that someday very soon you'll be after them. Right, Bebita? Oh, you're so tired. Tienes sueño. Oh. You say mama again? Mama. Yeah. Oh, I think I hear someone coming up the stairs, Amaya. I wonder if that's Papa this time. Yeah, we were wrong the last two times. Or at least Mama was wrong the last two times. Uh-oh. There he is. Finally. There he is. Oh.
Ui, que imaculada essa casa.
Sí.
Olha de que Papa needs to put his shoes.
Yes, you do.
It looks so perfect.
Who's that?